Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna be playing with slime. I only have one because I mixed all my slimes together to this big thing. Okay, if you're wondering where am I at, I'm at my desk. This is my room. Right, Bobby? This is my room. Yeah, it is. Okay, I mixed all these little ones into this big fat one right here, and I bought slime from one of my friends. So yeah, if you're wondering what is this white stuff, like that stuff right there, it's like erasers and crayons to like make a design, like bring the yellow out, see? Bring the yellow. Oh, it's gray. This color is gray. I want food coloring to make it like a different color. I don't like the color, it's gray. So yeah, I don't like it that much. So yeah. So I'm just gonna play with it. So I hope you like this a lot. So yeah, so let me just flip the camera around. I'm gonna put y'all right here, like right there, so y'all can see. So let's get on with whatever the thing's called. Woo! I made a mess, you guys. I made a mess. I gotta get back because my grandma almost saw me. So I gotta clean this up from my hands. It's all over my desk now. What am I gonna do about this? Oh my god! No, it's all on my desk. Oh my god, my hands! What am I gonna do about this? Okay, I'm so sorry about that. But I got this all over my thing. But I got some in here, so now I'm just gonna put this in here and wait until tomorrow. Oh shoot! Forgot that was in here. Ah! My hand! Oh my freaking god, my hands. Oh, dirty some. I'll come back to y'all tomorrow. So bye!